Today I'll show you one of these storage boxes from IKEA. This is the IKEA storage box for the KOSINGEN system and the other system. It's called KOSINGEN, and that's the product number. The size is important. It's 33 by 38 by 33 centimeters. First I was going to buy the white ones. There were some other model white ones, but I don't know why I decided to get the gray ones. So I'll show you how you set it up, unboxing it or unpacking it. That was easy. Okay, so smell test. Everything in IKEA smells like furniture and cinnamon and those candles. I think it's the scented candles. They probably have the special flavor for their store. So that's how you open it. Pretty easy to open it. And that's a storage box. I like these ones that they are not plastic, and also because they're made with some kind of polyester or cloth. I feel like they will resist dust better, but I'm not sure. Okay, so don't know how I can show you this, but if you really want to read the label, this is some kind of way to read the label. Made in Vietnam. Okay, like this. Some information there. So this is not a lid. I thought it would be a lid now, but it's not a lid. It's for the bottom. And put it with this flap. It's better to put it with this flap up so you can remove it easily. And the box is ready. Just like that. Box ready. And I have another one, the same. It's open. And this one is ready too. Pretty convenient, nice storage system. You can open and close them for dust proof also. I'll show you in the KOSINGEN. I'll show you also in another storage unit I got from IKEA. And I'll put it now in the KOSINGEN. Okay. With the flap in front. I hope it fits. Okay. Perfect. Just like that. Or you can have them as a dedicated box system. Like that. Open it, get something, put it back. Pretty nice.